So this is the first time I'm doing a layered stamping and it looks ridiculous. Namaste and welcome. How are you guys doing? So today we will do a haunted Disney princess nail art and let's just start that. First things first, I'm using the peel of base coat. What else did you think I'm going to do? Then for my base color, I use this Lilac Kisses from Nykaa. Just apply 2 coats of it. After that is dry, we are going to use a cuticle mask. When that is dry, it's time for stamping. First I will stamp the design in black and then I am going to stamp over it with this bright yellow color. You don't have to be absolutely precise with the layering. In fact, it should be a little off as that will give the shadowy look, and that's what we are going for. After that we are going to finish our nail art with a top coat. I was confused between glossy and matte, so I did both and forgot to film them. So that's how the final result looks. It's up to you which one you consider the final one. Let me know which one do you prefer, glossy or matte. So that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Namaste.